Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Nest Doorbell using Google credentials step by step clearly. To authenticate your Google Nest Doorbell using Google credentials, begin by ensuring your Google Nest Doorbell is installed and powered on. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in with your Google account credentials if you are not signed in. On the main screen, tap the plus sign in the top left corner to add a new device. Select Setup Device from the drop-down menu. Choose New Devices to begin the setup process. The app will search for nearby devices. Once it detects your Nest Doorbell, tap on its name to continue. Follow the prompts to connect your doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and tap Connect. The app will now attempt. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Next, you may be asked to assign a name to your doorbell for easy identification. Select a name or create a custom one as prompted. After naming your device, you will see the Google Assistant Setup option. Follow the instructions to link your Google Assistant if desired. The app will then guide you through additional settings, such as motion detection and video recording preferences. Review and adjust these settings according to your preferences. Once you have completed the setup, tap Done to finish the authentication process. You should now see your Google Nest Doorbell listed on the main screen of the Google Home app. Test the functionality by pressing the doorbell and checking the live video feed. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated your Google Nest Doorbell using your Google credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.